stock car here. Oh, getting too old for this car. No, I'm kidding. Top of the afternoon, top of the afternoon, top of the afternoon. It's your main man, Kev's Life 12. Got something cool for y'all today. I'm heading to like a S650 only photo shoot. It's about an hour drive. Just hit 10K miles in the S650 Mustang. But once I get there, I'm gonna pick the camera back up and we're gonna get rolling.
Many tic-tacs later.
So I'm supposed to be at the meetup spot at 3. It said I'll be there at 3:03. I ran into State Fair, Texas traffic. Hook 'em, go horns, if you know what that means. But we're almost there. So I caught up to everybody, kind of, sort of. It's not very many of us, but we're rolling out. So like, compared to everybody I'm rolling with right now, I am regular traffic. Like, no kids out. They sound good. Where exactly we're going, I just know we're supposed to be taking photos, so. Somebody smells catless. exhaust setup. So we made it to a spot. Check this out. Woo. Got a couple more pulling up, but so far have what, 2 bad ones, a dark horse. They have this one here with carbon fiber everything. It was on when I went to the meetup. Carbon fiber everything. That one sounded really good too as well. But look at this. Carbon fiber fenders and hood. Maybe I need to get some carbon fiber. So there's white S650. And then this one is clean as well. That's clean. Then I like this hood setup. So the inserts in here actually can pop out when you need them to. All right, so we have another bag. That's this S650 here. These hoods are making me want to get one because the air is starting to, you can feel the heat coming out compared to like the stock one. And these vents, for most part, a lot of these are like actually active compared to most cars where you have it just for looks. These are actually like helpful. So this is kind of set up like mine. Exactly kind of what mine would look like with the front lip, same rims, different spoiler. But as you can see, same LED markers on the side, front and back, kind of identical cars, but just different spoiler, front splitter, darker tint, but they both clean. Same kind of here. This is different. He has some stuff coming in, he said, that he doesn't want to reveal yet. Nice little setup here. I just need to get some lowering springs or something. All right, now this one was screaming. I have never seen LEDs. Well, the camera's not picking it up, but kind of. You see they're like going, like they're not just normal LED sign markers. But this thing is loud, and like I said, active carbon fiber, like the hood vents, you can feel the heat coming out, especially on the side here. You can feel it flowing out. I see he has the ambient lighting inside. This thing is wicked. Like I said, and it's loud. I can see what exhaust is on that, but it's time to go get pictures. So I literally think I'm the only like stock car here in terms of like exhaust, performance, things of that nature. These things sound good though. This is a cool little spot up here. Sheesh. All the S650s in one spot. So I think the plan is to go dark white carbon fiber, and then probably the red side, then the two stockish white ones for now, and then I think one of the red bagged ones in the center of everybody.
1 hour later.
So we finally got everything lined up. All right, so that's gonna do this photo shoot, little meetup. This was a cool event. I appreciate them hosting it. Look how clean that one is. Woo. But no, that Whipple S650 makes me want to like do like a boosted setup of some sort, like a pro charger or something. Who knows? I don't know. Like I said, some days I want to keep it, some days I don't. But I feel like a pro charger with about 600 to 800 horsepower would be perfect for this, being manual. Maybe even just 6. It doesn't need to be crazy. Just something to have fun with. One of those had like a catback extreme or Corsa catback extreme exhaust. Sounded good. Nothing over the top, but yeah, like I said, about to head home. If anything interesting happens on the way home, I'll let y'all know. If not, that may conclude this video. Can't make this up. Identical spots. I was on the other side going to the photo shoot. Now I'm on this side going from the photo shoot, and there's another wreck. Like, what? Well, that's gonna conclude today's video. If you made it this far, all I ask is be sure to like, comment, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers, trying to hit that by the end of the year if possible. We'll see. But I'm Campsite 12. It's been another video. I'm out. Peace.